Hello again, boys and girls. You see, I have a very cheap USB camera. I modified or mode with a kind of let's call it fish eye lenses. But the problem with this one, of course, it's not definition. I want to use it for close-ups. Okay, so the story with this camera is that it's very imprevisible. You see, I can use this for close-ups. I can even adjust the focus simply by rotating the lenses, getting some details on the boards or something. To focus, I'm just rotating this. Maybe I'm gluing some pieces of something, you know, to have a kind of easier movement. Okay, doesn't really matter. USB 2 port here, and sometime, like you saw that, it's out. So it's just disconnected. What I'm trying to do first, because I know the camera it's working and is doing the best it can. I'm gonna simply try to replace the cable. So I will keep the socket, or maybe I should just solder the other side of the board, of course, another USB cable. Maybe the cable is the problem, you know, thin, cheap cable. Let me find a piece of cable first. Okay, so here I have a cable. It's looking better. It feels much more solid. Cable expert something. Okay, let's cut it. Of course. Do I need? I don't think so. Out. Let's see what we got here. Much better cable, much better shield, and that's the ground, general shield, ground. And here we have the classics. Very solid plus minus, and those two data cable, in fact. Anyway, I have to take the cable out, so I'm cutting it anyway. Get out of here. For my curiosity, let's see how is this cable inside. Okay, so we have kind of shield, right? But the wires are absolutely different story. Let me take out the camera board. I thought some glue there or something. So here we have ground, plus 5 DPUM. Wow, what is this? For data it's a single core or a single piece of wire. I don't like that. But anyway, it's much more solid than the original cable. Let's see. Doesn't fit in here. No problemos. Is the shield going to the ground? Let's check this with the multimeter. Yeah. So I don't need this to connect it to the camera ground. So all I need is the active, let's call it, wires. Perfect. Ground data, and down there will be plus 5. So here we have plus one data line, the second data line, and ground. This 1, 2 up here are the ground. Alright, let's do that just like that. And then plus is going down here. Data. Let me have the D. So everything goes like that. So we have green and then white. Perfect. And finally the plus goes down here, just like that. Oh, there we go. What do you think? Do we have a working device? So here is my USB. Let me connect it down there. We got power, but of course one of the data lines it's out. Oh, this is already compromised. Okay, let me cut this short like that. Okay, it's done. Plug in. Do you hear any sound? Yeah, but it says USB does not recognize that. Why? Of course. Oh man, I think I destroyed. Once again. Okay, why not? Why not? It's not seeing that. Probably the data lines are the other way around. White, green, and okay, let's try to do that. So many times I found devices with different way of wiring. I even find devices with plus and minus all the way around. So it's very possible. And okay, let's see now. We got it, we got it, we got it. Yes, it's working. Here we are. That's the little tricky something. Now, all I have to do is to get what? Oh, the plus it's out again. Oh man. Yeah, it's working. So now what I have to do is to put this back in the case. Nice and slowly. There we go. Next step, hot glue. I'm gonna have some dents into the cable. Just like this. You see? And now I'm sure that will be absolutely okay keeping the things in place. Okay, we are secure. Now I'm gonna move the other side just like that. I swear I'm not gonna touch this because it's looking like now it's stable and it's much better. You see, moving. Yeah, it's curing now. I used the hot air to make it a kind of better, to have a solid bond. I'm trying to make this better and solid, so I will reflow the hot glue like that. Okay people, so the glue cured, or in fact got solid. Yes it is. The cable looks good. Let's see about stability and the other stuffs. You see, this is the camera. I'm jumping with the cable. It's much better. Let me change the port. Probably I need to restart the camera application. You see guys, now it's solid. I can move it easy around, no problem, no more disconnection or something. And because of the focus I can easily have it near the bench or even closer, you know, for details. like a second camera to the screen or anything else around here. I know it's cheap, but it's doing the job for this kind of shots, you know, close by shots. Next step is to have a kind of adjustment modification, let's call it, something to make the things running easier. But for now I'm really satisfied. Like always, I hope this is interesting and I hope it helps you to fix your cameras. So remember, the cable is very important. The cable in this situation is very important. And yeah, don't forget, subscribe to my channel, push the like button. Thanks to my sponsors, thanks to Jack from States, and now he's back on YouTube. Of course, welcome back. And until the next one, don't forget, have fun. See you. Bye bye.